40. Mother murder. In a startling passage in 1 Timothy 1:9, Paul speaks of the fact that God's law is necessary in a world of sin where people even go so far as to be, quote, murderers of fathers and murderers of mothers. In speaking of mother murder, Paul uses the word metrauleis, mother killers or smiters. The use of this word, where known, led to severe punishment by Nero, who had killed his mother. In the Ten Commandments, we are commanded to honour our father and mother, Exodus 20:12. We do not have a requirement of obedience when we are mature and have our own family, but we have a lifelong duty of honour. This honour is due, not because all mothers are always worthy of honour, but because motherhood is. Thus, we have the antithesis of honour and murder. As Paul uses the word, he means murder as his next word, quote, manslayers, end quote, makes clear. The word metrauleis could mean mother smiters also, referring to physical assault, something also forbidden in the law, Exodus 21:15. Because in Scripture the family is the basic institution under God, any assault on the family or any dishonour to those to whom honour is due is seen as a most serious offence. Such crimes strike at the foundation of godly social order. Thus, neither church nor school, and certainly not the state, has any right under God to undercut the authority of the family. No society has ever been able to survive the destruction of its family life. The word metrauleis meant thus not only the actual act of murder, but also anything that undercut the godly powers of family life and the authority of the mother. Paul's words are very relevant for our time.